Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to enable developer mode on Discord. Start by opening the Discord app on your desktop or in your browser. Make sure you are logged into your account. Look at the bottom left corner of the screen and find the gear icon next to your username. Click on this icon to open your user settings. You are now in the settings menu. On the left side, you will see a list of options. Scroll down until you find the section called Advanced. Click on Advanced to open more options. In this section, you will see a toggle labeled Developer Mode. Click the toggle to turn Developer Mode on. When Developer Mode is enabled, the toggle will change color and move to the right. Developer Mode is now active on your account. To check if it is working, simply right-click a channel name, and you should see an option called Copy Channel ID. If you see this option, it means Developer Mode is enabled successfully. This is all you need to enable Developer Mode on Discord. Thanks for watching.